In order for any company to exist, it has to have a product to sell you. It has to have sales. What company you know, what business you know that is in operation today and they down in sales? They ain't got no sales. That means they out of business, fam. So what I want you to ask yourself is, what product do the bank have? You giving it this money, but the bank got a product that is selling you. What's the product? A house. A house. That's the bank's product. Something that you are actually, majority of people never pay off. It end up going back to the bank. So unless you cash it out, like you can literally afford to buy wherever you're trying to purchase to lay your head, it's a product, family. Just a product. They're a way to get you. I heard a wise man say, it is better to own how you make your money and rent where you lay your head. Do you get what he's saying? We think it's an asset to own a house. I own so much property, and I watch them out there working on it all the time, mowing the grass, fixing it. Weather happens, they're always investing in the house. But the house is keeping the roof over their head, so they feel like that's an asset. It's not an asset, family. It's a liability. If it's not making you money and it's costing you money, it's a liability. Now, you can have a house that is making you money. That's what rental property does when it's multiple doors. Apartment buildings, condos, unless you own in the whole village. You see what I'm saying? But you trying to make it make sense for you buying one house and making it make you money without it costing you money every month. Every month you got to pay a mortgage, unless you own it clearly now. It's a product, fam. So in America, we got to realize one major fact and major key. We got to have a product, family. If you're going to be in business, you got to have a product to sell. There's good products, there's bad products. We can just turn on the TV and give us some ideas. You can just hit your social media and get you a couple ideas of some products. You got good products and you got bad products. But one thing you got to have, fam, to come up in America, you got to have a product. What's your product? What are you selling? Is it beneficial? Is it detrimental? You need a product. Hold on.